Testing hypothesis. Testing a hypothesis deals with to take decisions about either to accept or to reject our null hypothesis Generally, the procedure for testing hypothesis is first, test the null hypothesis H0 and alternate hypothesis H1.